Liftoff normal.
Here we have a majestic liftoff of LVM-3 M4 rocket carrying India's prestigious Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft.
P2 tracking.
प्रज्वलन और सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन LVM-3 M4 रॉकेट का।
When Sir C.V. Raman was travelling from UK to Calcutta, and sky was blue in the horizon when sun was shining in the evening, he asked why, and he got a Nobel Prize.
Sachendrath Bose came from Calcutta. He too laid the groundwork several decades ago for what's now being called the greatest scientific discovery of this generation.
This man who grew up in India, Srinivasa Ramanujan, he had a math textbook. That textbook was enough for him to basically figure out all of modern mathematics that had existed at that time and push the field forward.
Solution का, evolution का और innovation का आधार विज्ञान ही है।
Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, Bharat's largest science talent search examination for emerging scientists and innovators. Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan's mission is clear and inspiring: to ignite interest in basic sciences, to educate students about India's remarkable contributions to science and technology, both ancient and modern, to provide hands-on learning through experimental skill tests and interactive events, to identify and nurture scientific aptitude through its unique scholastic test, to connect young minds with mentors, paving the way for future leaders in science. Since its inception in 1999, VVM has evolved into a comprehensive multi-level evaluation system: school-level online exam, state-level camp, national camp. VVM is conducted in English and Hindi along with 12 major regional languages, namely Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Bengali, or here, Assamese, Sanskrit and Urdu. VVM covers a wide range of topics including physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, logic and reasoning, Indian contributions to science, and life stories of Indian scientists. The exam is now conducted class-wise, catering to class 6 to class 11 students. VVM rewards brilliance at every level: school level, district level, state and national level. The top 3 performers at the school and district levels receive online merit certificates. Top 3 performers each from state level camps and national camp receive certificates, mementos and cash prizes. Top NLC performers, 18 students get the prestigious Bhaskar Scholarship of 2,000 rupees per month for 1 year. National winners gain a life-changing opportunity to participate in the Srijan internship, where they engage with India's top research institutions including DRDO, ISRO, CSIR, IITs, NITs and more. VVM offers more than just an exam. It's a platform for experiential learning and hands-on activities, peer review and 360-degree evaluation, visiting national labs and interacting with renowned scientists, cultivating a deep understanding of India's scientific heritage and instilling a sense of national pride. Are you ready to unlock your potential and embark on an incredible journey? Visit vvm.org.in to register and take the first step towards becoming future innovators, nation builders and knowledge creators. Registrations for VVM are now open. Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, shaping the future of science in India.